Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my coffee station for Valentine's Day. Now this is the Valentine's Coffee Bar Challenge 2022 that's hosted by Shule at MystyleMycolours and Kimberly Davis at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I will be linking both of their channels in the description box below so that you can run over there and check out their Valentine's coffee stations, as well as a playlist which will have many other creators that will be participating in this challenge. A special thanks to Shule and Kimberly for hosting this collaboration. Now let's get started. Now to start off, I'm going to be putting my French press here on my shelves. And then I'm going to be putting some mugs here with the coffee stirrers in there. I'm going to just place those up here. And then I have some extra coffee spoons that I'm going to place here as well. These are the primary colors that I use in my home all the time. So that is one of the reasons why I'm going with the non-traditional colors so that I don't have to change it out often. So I'm going to start with that. Now I'm going to do this shelf and I'm just going to put some basic vases up there. I have this one. I just love the shape of this one. So we're going to just set that one up there. And then I have this one with a little bit of the pampas in it. I'm going to place that up there. These are all thrifted too, by the way. This one as well. And I'm just going to place it up here. So now we can go ahead and get the coffee station done. I did this towel with these love birds on it with my Cricut that I got for Christmas. And let me tell you, it is so hard to use it, but I refuse to be defeated by this Cricut. I'm going to get it if it kills me. I picked up this 2-tier tray with the hearts on it from the Target dollar spot. It was pink and I spray painted it black.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
As we enter into this season of love, always remember, love is the greatest force in the universe. It is the heartbeat of the moral cosmos. He who loves is a participant in the being of God. That's a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I do appreciate you sticking around to the end. And please don't forget to stop by our host channel as well as the playlist that'll be in the description box below. And if you're not currently subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button today before you leave. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And I hope to see you all over here